Hey, let me show you how you can scan documents using your Redmi Note 15. So you can easily do that by opening your camera, and now when you swipe up like that, you have to open the Documents application. Now you can also pick if you want to get the original colors, or for example, you're going to get the black and white. So that's what I'm going to select. And over here, you will have to just align your document with this camera preview and this yellow frame. And when you hold it steady, you have to click on this button, the white shutter button. And now, after a few moments, this document was scanned properly. And as you can see, that's how it looks. You can still edit this if you don't like how it looks by clicking on this edit button. And now, as you can see, you have to just go to the crop option. And here you can make it just, for example, shorter. And you can even rotate a little bit if you want. Just like this to get the different perspective, or horizontally like so. So we can just adjust this, and now we have to click save in the right upper corner. Just wait for this, and as you can see, that's how we scan this. It looks much better when you select, for example, this one. And you can do this as much as you want. Thanks for watching this video.